Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nikhilesh Satyavarpu, one stop destination for RPA business analyst learnings. So today I got to address one more important and frequently asked question. So that is business analyst required coding and programming background? Is it really necessary or mandatory? So let's think on it. So I am going to address these questions today. So basically, business analyst, RPA business analyst who is working for RPA projects. So I don't think so he required a programming knowledge or a coding background. So definitely I can say it is no, he don't require. So why it is not required and all, then we can discuss that. So basically, business analyst who is working for RPA projects, he will not be working in the development. So first thing. Second thing, our RPA program or RPA tools will not require any programming language background. For example, .NET, Java. No, it is not mandatory. If you having some logical and analytical skills, if you can execute, at least write a simple lines of code, so something from .NET or Java, that would be enough. You should not be a programmer expert, or you should not be an Java expert, it should not be an Angular JS expert. No, it is not like that for RPA. So for that, even for business analyst, so the programming background, it is not at all required. That is first thing. And second thing, when coming to the development, the business analyst will be involving in RPA projects to the some extent only. For example, I can tell, so he will be not working in the coding, or he will not write the code of UiPath or anything. So he will support the development stage, like he will get the accesses from the customers, he will try to estimate the development process, he will guide the developers to deliver the process in this way, and he will create the PDD, right? So he will take the sign off the PDD for the development, and he will give to the development team. So this is the major or main task when he is doing into the development. That is first thing. Second thing, like but he need to know, see, as I said, there is no coding background required for business analyst, but he need to know what is RPA, what are the tools available in the market, and for example, if he is working for an RPA UiPath project, so he should know what is UiPath, what is Studio, what is Robot, what is Orchestrator, and how to at least deploy the robot into the orchestrator, how to start the UiPath Studio, or how to execute the robot, or how to generate the queues from the orchestrator, and how to trigger the bot, and what is scheduler. These are the major and basic things at least he should know in the project itself. So he is not doing any coding and the development, but these are the terms or terminologies or the processes he should know. So basically, so when he knows this, at least he can generate the logs generated by a robot for the process, and he should know like which is in the failure stage and which is in the successful stage, and how many transactions is in failed and how many transactions have been success, what is system exception, what is business exception occurred in this development will do their code, but he should know, like, by generating the queues, by generating the logs, he knows that why the process is failed and all. So it will help to create him the logs, or it will help to create him the log report to send to the customers as per their requirement and all. That is first thing. And second thing, business analyst used to create many reports, like client analysis report, or the log file, or the daily transactions report. So for that he should learn at least what is orchestrator, what is orchestrator setups, what is going in the orchestrator, everything he should know, and what is studio, what we are doing in the studio, what is robot, what the robot will do, all these things. That is what. And if something like, for example, if the business analyst is really interested to learn the RPA coding or RPA programming, definitely he can learn the RPA programming. Definitely, if he is really interested, he can learn. We have UiPath Academy courses available and many YouTube channels available for the beginners as well. He can start learning it if he is really interested. So I'm not saying that he cannot do the code and all. If he is it is into the personal interest, so he can do it. That is first thing. And second thing, if he is good in learning the development and he started doing the development and all, definitely your team or your RPA team will definitely encourage you to do that. Even business analyst can do the development, even analyst can write the program in the RPA. So that is the major thing. So it is your personal choice, but by conclusion I am saying business analyst by itself, business analyst is not mandatory, is not required to be a programmer, or is not initially to start development or programming skill he is required and all. So that is what I am going to say. So the business analyst should not require any programming knowledge or in coding background, or these are the major things in the market is going, like business analyst is required coding and all, he should write the code. So I am not a coding background, I am not a developer, how can I do it and all. So don't worry, so it is not required, I can tell you seriously. But if he is seriously interested to learn the code and all, definitely you are encourageable, so you can learn the code. So that's what the video, guys. I think I have cleared your questions about the coding background of a business analyst. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Cheers.